What are obsolete transportation laws? Have you ever wondered about the strange laws that still exist in our country, especially those related to transportation? Obsolete transportation laws are legal rules that were created to manage how people and goods moved in a different time. These laws often seem odd today because they were based on outdated technologies and societal norms. Many of these laws date back to when horse-drawn carriages ruled the roads or when early automobiles were just starting to appear. They have stuck around even as our modes of transportation have dramatically changed. For instance, some laws might dictate how fast a horse-drawn vehicle could travel or requiring specific signals that are no longer relevant. One quirky example is a law that requires drivers to get out and walk alongside their vehicles when crossing certain bridges. This made sense when horses were the main mode of transport, but it sounds silly for modern cars. Another oddity is the restrictions on certain vehicle types that are no longer in use. Imagine a law banning steam-powered vehicles or requiring lanterns on carriages when we have electric lights and modern cars. Some laws even mandate outdated methods of transportation. For example, there were regulations that forced airlines to use smaller, less efficient planes instead of larger ones. This led to wasted fuel and resources, which seems unnecessary today. Additionally, some laws tie transportation funding to labor agreements from decades ago. These outdated rules can hinder the modernization of transit systems, making it harder to implement new technologies. On a federal level, the Jones Act restricts water transportation between United States ports to ships that are built and operated in the United States. This law was originally justified for national security, but many now see it as economically inefficient and costly. These obsolete laws often stick around due to political reasons or the difficulty of changing legal codes. While some have been repealed, others remain on the books, sometimes enforced or simply serving as curiosities. Understanding these laws helps us see how transportation policies have evolved over time. They reveal the strange legacy of earlier eras and the challenges we face in updating our transportation systems. Obsolete transportation laws are remnants of a past that seems strange today, reflecting technologies and concerns that no longer apply. Their oddity lies in how they once addressed issues that have since disappeared, making them a fascinating part of America's legal history.